Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So first thing is let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. So just go to settings. On this phone here, we're going to go to connections and then Bluetooth here. Oops. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Okay, so Bluetooth is on, and now you see that little spinning thing right there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here. So we got to put these into pairing mode. Let's go ahead and open these up. The buds are in a case. We'll know that these are in pairing mode if you get two blinking lights there. I have two solid white lights there. Let me manually put this in the pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. I'm going to press and hold until it turns blue here. The button in the back. Press and hold. I'm going to keep holding. Now I'm going to let go. Okay. Now you may get this pop up. Okay, you get this pop up on Android phone. You can connect that way. If not, just go to the other route. Go to your Bluetooth settings and whatnot. And then from here, I'm just going to rescan again. And then yeah, we can connect this way as well. Bose Open Earbuds right there. It's pairing with the Android phone. You will get a pairing request. I'm going to tap on pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. And I can see I have 100% battery juice on here. Now, if you had any kind of issue with pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.